viewers, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to make cheese omelette. Let's start. Before starting, make sure you have your parents with you because it's dangerous to play with it. Now let's start. The ingredients required are these are finely chopped carrots, capsicum, onions and cheese. We need 2 eggs to make omelette. We also need salt and pepper for taste and frying the omelette. Now let's start to make. Now add eggs into bowl. Now let's add salt and pepper. Let's beat it. Let's add onions. Next, let's add capsicum. Let's add carrot. Now let's beat. Now the egg batter is ready. Now let's switch on the stove. Now we should take help of the elders. Now let's wait till the pan gets to heat. Now let's add oil. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Let's add the egg batter. Let's add cheese. I have covered omelette with cheese. Now let's wait for few minutes. Now let's close the lid. Now let's take the lid. Surprise! Surprise! The omelette is ready. Now let's test it. Wow, it's so yummy.